aking binubuksan ang 2026 Marlica Art Gym Grand Ballet Recital Seeds of Grace and Awakening.
Ito ay isang produkto ng pagmamahal ng bawat isa ng pamilya at ng mga batang ito sa sining ng ballet dito sa Lipa.
I hope they remember how beautiful they look and their costumes are so beautiful. I also hope they remember how brave they are performing on stage and having adults watching them.
Well, it means a lot. I mean, it's a big event in my granddaughter's life. And it's nice to see her, enjoying something that makes her happy.
Nagsasacrifice siya ng time for this. Lahat. I mean, the time, the effort, time and effort ng bata talaga. Hardship nila yan.
Code Vibes Music. Gusto kong pasalamatan ang lahat ng mga magulang na laging pumupunta sa art gym upang ihatid ang kanilang mga anak. Salamat sa inyong lahat, sa inyong pagtsatsaga.